Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up PIN and parental controls on your Hyundai TV. So first go over to settings. Now here let's scroll down to system and go to parental. Now here the default PIN for me was 000 and 0, and you guys can try that out, or it will be basically pinless without a pin. Now here if we go to set pin, now let's click new pin, and here what we gotta do is basically go over and confirm it. So I chose 1122. Now the pin is changed, and as soon as we leave the settings and enter them again, the 0000 won't work anymore. It's 1122, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.